Good day, practical parents, and thank you for taking the time out to listen to this quick video clip. As you well know, on the 13th of September, we are having another installment of our practical parenting workshop. How is this relevant to you? Well, have you asked, how could I be a better parent? How could I be more consistent? How could I educate my child? How can I teach them the secrets of the secret? Well, this is how you can. By attending our workshop, you are highlighting that you are willing to acknowledge that parenting starts with you. One of my favorite parenting quotes is that children are the manifestation of their parents' subconscious, meaning that those underlying thought patterns, limiting beliefs, and habits that govern most of us are what is going to spill over to your child. And by being responsible parents, it is imperative that we acknowledge that so that we could invest in our child for who they are and not who we thought we need to be. Other than that, we'll give you loads of practical parenting tips, transformational vocabulary, how to parent without anxiety but with excitement, and understand that by investing in ourselves, we're actually investing in our child. Added to that, we will engage with you on various other elements of your life. Your relationship with your spouse, your relationship with your family, your work, food, exercise, across the board. So I'm really excited about seeing all of you on the 13th of September and having a wonderful time. If you have any other questions, please email or even call us so that we can further engage with you, so that we can together be good but great.